What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mr. OTGTU from Team LIT, Long Island Trikes. I'm here. I'm doing some DIY work, man. You see those Rhino ramps right there? Right now I'm about to swap out this Acropulfic exhaust for the new Carbon series from RLS. I recently did my own jockey shifter right here, and I didn't do the lights nor the speakers. That's too advanced for me at this point, but I also got the headlights coming in this week, so that's gonna be another video right there. So I'll show you guys before and after, as well as the sound before and after. Yeah, gonna be throwing this bad boy on right here. Woo. Gotta get underneath the bike and pull these springs out. Yeesh. There we go, that's one. Oh, wait, what's the other one at? There we go. Can't see on this side, but I'll make it work. Two, all right. And we're off. Look how big this thing is, jeez. Look at this thing in comparison to that right there. Psh, this thing gonna make my bike so much lighter. Wow. All right, right here, tighten up the bolt right now. Finally got this thing on. Thing was rough. Word of advice, put on one of the springs first, tighten the bolt up a little bit, and then put the other spring on after, then tighten up all the way. Because I put both springs on first, and it wasn't lining up, because it kept hitting this bar right here at the bottom. There's a bar right there that the exhaust kept hitting, and I'm like, oh my gosh. RLS messed me up, but it was user error. So one spring, tighten the bolt a little bit to keep it held in place, and then put the second spring in and then tighten the bolt up. All right. It took me to hell and back, but I finally got this thing on. Let's start it up. Matter of fact, let me clean up back here first, and then let me start this up. All right, guys, just recently installed my RLS Carbon series. This is a new one that Ricky released. Shout out to RLS. In the later half of 2022. Yeah, let's see how this thing starts. Gosh. I always want to hear how it starts. This is how it's going to start.